What's good? We're out here getting these winter projects rolling. So we got this dusty old Mustang over here. Been sitting for a while. Turbo LS car. Smoking like crazy. Not really sure what's wrong with it, but we're gonna get this engine out of here. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off these hot side pipes to this turbo. We're gonna take off this big stack coming out the hood and this charge pipe coming out. And then we're gonna take this whole turbo assembly off as a unit, so we don't have to take every little piece apart and all these clamps, because getting them back on sometimes can be difficult. But we're just gonna take it off in as big as pieces as we possibly can. So let me show you how it's done. Boom, so we got the headers off, the turbo, the exhaust pipe, and the charge pipe off the motor. So now that all that's gone, basically what we're going to do is we're going to come through here, take the intake off, take the wires off of it, fuel system, all that good stuff, get down to where we can actually get this engine out of here. And of course we're going to have to disconnect the transmission as well. Alright, we got this thing jacked up. About to take these torque converter bolts out. Bell housing bolts. Ain't nothing crazy under here. Just a power glide, wheel converter. So we're going to take these torque converter bolts out. There's 3 of them there. And then we'll take these bell housing bolts up here, support this transmission right here, and then come on out with it. No big deal, right? This is the moment of truth. Boom. There it is. Get out, get out. Run. We got it. Now, headed to the machine shop.